Holly and I am an associate working for My Dentist across 2 different practices based in Wigan. I began working at My Dentist during my foundation year and enjoyed it so much that I decided to stay. I now work at the same practice that I did my foundation year in, but then I also work at a different practice as well. What I really liked most about working at My Dentist is the support. So not only from the team, the practice managers, but higher up as well. So you've got your area manager, clinical support team, and they're always on hand if you've got a question. We have a large WhatsApp group, very large WhatsApp group for a lot of the clinicians from the My Dentist in the northwest area. There's about 72 of us in there. Whether we have a question regarding something related to My Dentist or whether it's a clinical question, we'll often pop it in and get the advice from whoever's in there, and everyone's always willing to help. So that's really good if there's anything you're not sure about. On top of that as well, they've got the My Dentist Academy, where you have lots of free CPD, a lot of annual compliance, sort of your health and safety, medical emergencies is all on there as well. And you can access that online at any time. They're also really supportive of any extra courses that you want to do. I myself have done my ClearCorrect training, which does have an association with My Dentist. So working within the practice, and if you were providing ClearCorrect aligners, that's discounted for you as a My Dentist clinician. There's also a discount for other courses, and they're always thinking of new ideas that they can pass out to the My Dentist clinicians, because they really want everyone to feel supported and feel comfortable in what they're doing and excel if that's something that's interesting them. Joining My Dentist, you'll often go for an induction day or few days at the head office in Manchester, and I found that really useful because it talks to you a lot about NHS, BSA, claims, R4, what you can't do, what you should do, and it kind of gives you a starting point which is great for when you're first starting out, because when you are an FD, at least I felt this way, as you were more focused on the practical side of it and honing your skills rather than what can I claim for, what can I submit, when does it have to be submitted, what do I have to do, what can the practice manager do. A lot of that kind of software information, and I was really not keyed up on that at all. So the academy, the induction was really useful. I think for me, a really big thing was the team that I was joining, and I can't really fault them at either of my practices. The managers are really knowledgeable, the nursing staff are all fantastic, and the reception team, they're always willing to help out if you have any concerns or questions, and they do their best for you. Both of my teams are a bit like family now. I love working here. I love my nurses, both of them at both practices. And yeah, it's been a really wonderful 12 months, and I'm really looking forward to what the future brings.